How to log into Universal Credit account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can log into Universal Credit account. For that, you want to open up any web browser. Now, you want to search for Universal Credit account. Out of the search results, you want to tap on this one which says sign into your Universal Credit account. Now you want to scroll down and tap on this sign in button. Over here you want to scroll a little bit down and here you have the sign in portal. The first thing you want to do is enter your username. So go ahead and enter that on the first box. In case you have forgotten your username, tap on the forgotten username option. Then you will have to enter your email address here and tap on the send username option. Now you will be sent an email with your username. After you have retrieved your username, you can enter it on the first box. Then on the second box, you want to enter your password. In case you have forgotten your password, tap on the forgotten password option. Then you will have to enter your username on the first box. After that, enter your date of birth. Once that is done, you want to tap on the send the link option. Now a link to reset your password will be sent. Once you have entered both username and password, tap on the sign in option. If your details are correct, you will be successfully signed into your Universal Credit account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.